Good morning, good afternoon. Some students had some questions about how to get to the assignments for ninth grade math. So if you go to courses, you want to select your section. This section is only for the live sessions. All right. So you would select your section, you would go to week 2, and then you would go to the links for online work. And you'll see on here everything that's been assigned to you. And there's a little description. So for this week, students should participate in the DESMOS activity. Let me go back and do that because I feel like that was way too fast. All right. So we go to Integrated Math 2. Here's your folders week by week. All right. You shouldn't see anything else in your Khan Academy, but week 2 is right here. And it will say links for online work. So you go, you open this up. And this should take you to a Google Doc that I update at the beginning of the week and then throughout the week with information. So as we read through this, it says we're doing quadratics this week, week 2. So we should participate in the DESMOS activity first. It says to do complete challenges 1 through challenge 6. The other challenges are bonuses. If you need help, here's a help video. That should help you greatly. And these are the assignments assigned through Khan Academy. These will automatically go, you can go to the link, or these will automatically show up in your Khan Academy account. I hope this was helpful, right? It's not enough just to log on Khan Academy because you'll miss the help videos that I create if you get stuck. There's also a help video. Oh man, there was one here. What happened? It disappeared. I'm going to have to put it back there, okay? Or maybe it's on the next page. Oh, here it is on the next page. Let's do this. That way it's all on the same page. And I made this help video also. Hopefully this was helpful.